Hey everybody, welcome back to 164land with a modified unboxing. This time I had a package from SURPLUSgoodies here. Okay, that's Jimmy Vicino. He is part of a Diecast pre-order group that I'm in. He is SURPLUSgoodies on eBay, and all-around great guy and a great seller, and he does an excellent job of packaging the things that we purchase from him. So instead of fumbling through opening the box and then digging through the packing peanuts and then opening these, I like to run my videos from start to finish in one take and not cut things up and you know, make the magic happen. So I pre-opened everything. I didn't peek in these priority mail bags, but so let's see what I got this time. Now this has been in my my basement for probably about a month. I just haven't gotten around to it, so let's dig right in here. So Schuco Tarmac Works 911 RSR 3.8. This is the 964 body style. I really enjoy the Schuco casting and the fact that they are doing the 964, they're doing the 993s, and they're doing them right? So this one is the, looks like the street version of the racing car, although it's gutted. It's got a single driver's seat there. It's got a cage. So it is a sharp looking casting. It looks like it's got, you know, BBS LMs there and nice wide body. Excellent. Next up, here is a Mini Champs Tarmac Works collaboration. This one's a little different. This one was a little more expensive, and but it is the Brumos Porsche number 61 934. Peter Gregg car, and it is very cool. Looks like it might be a roller. Might roll there. I think I only got one of these because they were a little more pricey. I didn't want to jump in with 2 feet in case I didn't like them. So so I chose this one because, I mean, how can you not choose a Brumos Porsche, right? All right, next up, Mini GT. This is the Roof CTR Anniversary in dark blue. I like it. And that's all in that bag. Okay, next one. I think this one's all Mini GTs. Here we go. It's GT3 Touring in Gentian Blue. This, you've probably seen it in the Lamley Awards, and it's fantastic. It's a fantastic color of this car. So I'm looking forward to getting that out of the box. Nice little pairing there. All right, what else? Here's the Follow Me car. The they don't give a year. Oh, 2020. Bologna Airport 2020. The Lamborghini Huracan Evo. So this is neat. It's got the light bar on top. And I wonder if it has any antenna. Cool. McLaren. This is the McLaren Artura in Volcano Blue. This is the first time this casting's released here. And I believe, I'm not up on my McLarens, but I think, you know what, I'm not going to assume. Is this a replacement for the not the 650. What came after the 650? Maybe it is the 650. Yeah, whatever. Who cares? Nice looking car. 911 Targa 4S. This is the Heritage design in cherry red. So nice looking car there. It's got the 50 on the side. So pretty neat. And last in this bag is a Corvette Z06 in Accelerate Yellow. So this is the first release of the C8 Z06 casting. So neat. Cool. In that eye-searing yellow. All right, last one here. Let's see what we got. Oh, the KaidoHouse. Oh, I got the Advent. You know what? Let's unbox this right now. Let's see if we pull a raw. You know, the first time I ordered the Kaido cars, when the first 510s came out, I got them from, where did I get them from? I don't remember. But the first, I got a raw for each release. It was really, what a fluke. Okay, so we got full color here. So this is not a raw. That's all right though. It's still sharp. Okay. Nice. So I'm on the fence about these KaidoHouse cars because while they are exceptionally well done and fantastically detailed, they're not true 164, which over the last couple of years I've really appreciated that 164 more, that true scale. So this kind of throws it off a little. They're kind of big, but the detail is phenomenal. I mean, look at these aluminum barrels on these monster wheels back here. You have this base, which is just very cool. And the detailed engine bay. Oh, you can't see it. But again, you know, whatever. Okay, let's move that to the side. Oh, Tarmac Works, the Lancia Delta HF Integrale Club Italia in this blue, in this really nice blue. And I know that Mini GT also just released the Delta Integrale, but I can't help but buy both versions. I mean, how cool is that? Red interior. That's just a sharp car. Wish I had a flashlight to show you the color. I'm gonna do pictures on these eventually. I keep saying that, but eventually I will. So here we go. So here's another Mini GT. This is the Advan, the 510 wagon. So let's see. Maybe this is the one that that's the raw chase, and then I have to order another one because I'm not really a chase collector. I guess I'll put them on this side. All right. So this is not. It's just your standard one, which is fine. So you can see the difference between the two. This one's got mirrors, fender mirrors. These arches are just, I mean, they're just cartoonish. But again, the details are off the charts. Got a full roll cage back there. The exhaust poking out the back. These monster wheels. Interior, this one is, you don't have to worry about tubbing the rear like this. You can see the tubs for these monster wheels because this sits in, and these are just have these huge fenders. So this actually has a rear seat back there. I mean, the detail is truly like well done, June. Well done. Engine, if you can see that. So, nice looking wagon. And I mean, who doesn't enjoy an Advan livery, right? Rolls, free rolling. So, all right, anyway, let's wrap it up. So again, this was a package I got from Jimmy Vicino from Surplus Goodies. Nice little unboxing. And check him out on eBay. He's Surplus Goodies, great seller. You can find him on LBE, the LBE Diecast group, right? A little bit of everything. And that's it. Thanks for viewing. Have a lovely day.